What's going on, YouTube? Shoot, it's been a while again. Sheesh. So check it out. I got into another new little habit. I'm starting to reshape hats and stuff and getting like old school vintage, semi-vintage, vintage hat. Check this out. USA corduroy hat. About to shape this up for 4th of July, and check this one out. Got a little stain right there. And it's a little dirty around the brim. So yeah, I'm about to clean these bad boys up. I think this one right here, this one's Captain Morgan. And this one's Captain Morgan too. They haven't been used, so I think I'm just gonna shape them up. Check these two out, yo. I got this hat, little grumpy action. This for Evan, small head. Cause as you can see, little boy got a haircut. Yeah, what you eating? You got rice? Ooh, you got cookie mouth, dude. Oh my goodness. Yeah, got that hat and this NHL one. I don't know. I don't even know this team. Buffaloes? Sabres? I don't know. Buffalo? It's a hockey team, I guess. So yeah, trying to shape them up for his head. And yeah, and I got these things. I made these hat shapers. This one's made out of like a 1 gallon bottle and a yoga mat. This one's a Milo tin can and a yoga mat. I cut some of these hat crown cap molders. I don't know. I just traced it off out of a different hat and got 6 of them out of a poster board. So yeah, about to do these boys up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with these 2 hats for Evan, because he really needs a hat outside with it being summer now. So this one still has this tag. You know, it says new with tags, but I don't know. I don't know how long it's been sitting, so I'm still just gonna clean it up. All I'm gonna be using, so all I'm gonna be using is just pretty much laundry detergent and a toothbrush, some warm water, and the sink. I would be doing this downstairs, but it's just too dark down there to even record. So yeah, check it out, yo. Those 2 are cleaned. I think I'm gonna clean up the corduroy ones now. When I bought it, it says new, but you can feel right here that like, I feel like it has been worn. And plus this has, let me see, a little dirt right here. Hopefully I could take it out of these, get these looking brand spanking new, then hang them all outside to air dry, because it's pretty nice outside, you know. About to hang these up outside to air dry, and then check back in when I'm about to shape these guys up. Yep. Alright, y'all. So hats are dry. This one got it cleaned a little bit more. Still see the orange or whatever color that is over there, but it's cleaner than what it used to be. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start reshaping them. Got my little cutouts over here. Some faultless clothing starch. Yeah. Water, iron, my molders, just a towel to iron up here, and just a rag. Just gonna wet this up a little bit and use that because they're pretty dry already. So yeah, just shape them up, and then I think this one I'm gonna try to straighten out the brim just a little bit, but I think I like the curve on it. Gotta see how it looks shaped. I'm gonna start with the 2 youth hats so Evan could start rocking hats already tomorrow morning. Gotta go to a soccer game. Alright, all done for tonight. Now, just gonna let the rest of them dry up. And let it dry up. And we'll check it again in the morning. About to get some sleeps. Tired. Alright. Alright, so it's the next morning. Still got eye boogers and everything. Say good morning, Ella.
Good morning, Ella.
Here's the hats. Yeah. So to keep it shape, I just rolled up some towels. And yeah, just check them out now. Alright. Oh, this boy out. Probably help to loosen it up, right? This one kind of messed up on. I think I scrubbed it too hard. turned white over here a little bit. Put the tags back on it. Look at that. Get this boy out. Oh, it's a button. Damn. I didn't even know that. Check that out. That was pretty nice. That one's pretty good. And what you eating, man? Okay. This one's pretty sick. Come here, Evan. Ooh, like that one? Yeah. Yeah. You like that one? Oh, dang. Okay.
Okay, come here, fatty boy.
So this hat actually surprised me. I thought it was just a regular strap back, but there's a button. Sick. Looking pretty good. We got the Morgan.
Joy. No, you go later. I need just Evan.
Morgan. USA. The crown on this is like super big. And here's Evan's hat. Grumpy. Hey. So, yeah. That's my new hobby. And yeah, that's all. You want to say bye? Say bye. Say bye. All right, peace out.